Hi, I am Mr. M. Manigandan, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Assistant Placement Coordinator for Career and Counseling Cell, Ayanada Janimal College, Sivagasi. Today we see about the best online job portals for job seekers. First we see about online job portals. There are many job websites you can use to find job openings online, but the best job boards and job search engine sites have search tools that are quick and easy to use. How to apply for online job portals for job seekers? They allow you to search based on the type of job you are looking for, your location and other criteria. The job seekers to search online job for their qualification and location, nature of job, for interested job and other criteria such as salaries, job methods, any other criteria. Some of the online job portals are I pointed out. First one we see about Naukri.com. It's founded in 1997. It is the best online job portals in India. It has 49.5 million job seekers database. It is only growing every day for day-to-day activities for their industries and employers to post their job vacancies in Naukri.com. Popular with employers and job hopefuls, Naukri.com is one of the most trusted portals in the country. Next we see about Placement India. India's top placement consultant, Placement India is an ideal choice for any job seekers. The portal hosts job listing from a variety of fields such as IT, education, hospitality, telecom and real estate field. It is the best placement job portals in India, especially for IT field job seekers is suitable for this Placement India job portals. Next we see about Monster India. It is an international job portals, monsterjob.com. It has applications for separately for Android users and iOS users. This portal even collaborated with the Indian Air Force Placement Cell to help retiring the air warriors to find careers in the corporate field. It is the best international job portals, monster.com, for easy to find our any type of job in this job portals website. Next we see about timesjobs.com. It is a subsidiary company of Times Business Solutions. It is one of the user-friendly job portals. It's based on user design and convenience. The job seekers to apply post many resumes specific to the industries they are applying to the timesjobs.com. Next we see about freshersworld.com. It is specifically created for the freshly graduated for unique job portals to offer job listings in the freshersworld.com. It has an impressive client list consisting of companies such as Facebook, Amazon, Motorola and Toshiba, and many popular companies are posted their job in the freshersworld.com. Freshers World is specially for the freshly newly graduated peoples. It's not based on work experience. Next we see about ClickIn. ClickIn began as an online classifieds but quickly into popular platform for job listings. This portal offers listing in field ranging from government jobs to call centers, IT field to marketing field. It also has separately category for freshers, especially for part-time jobs and internships are listed in the ClickIn portals. It's specially categories to focus on freshers and part-time employee people who want to their job in part-time basis. Easy to get ClickIn job portals. Next we see about JobSuckery. JobSuckery is a big cities in corporate job, best career option for the remaining lot of government jobs are posted in the jobsuggary.com. Most popular job portals in India for government job. It's specially created for the apply for government job such as field of Indian Railways, public sector banks or any other government jobs is easy to get alert from the jobsuggary.com. Just to you enter your mail to daily you receive government jobs at any place in India. You can receive job alert for government jobs, railway sector, public sector banks, UBC exam field or any government job alerts you can receive through mail. Next we see about Upwork. Upwork is one of the best online job portals for hours of working depending who want their work on hour based work people to apply your resume in Upwork job portals. It is US based job portals. It have lot of online jobs such as data entry jobs. Is you want any data entry job, work from home is best job website portal is Upwork. The payment for these job portals are international standards. These job portals provide salary based on and job based on the international standards level. Next we see about freelancer.com. The freelancer.com is another job portal for freelancers, especially to focus the job seekers in the field of web designers, web developers, web application builders, graphic designers, product managers, etc. To businesses that are looking into the outsource creative and talented fast moving individuals who can contribute to their ideas. In this freelancer.com mainly focused on the online based job seekers, website designers and website developers, programmers, IT field, technical field employees to use these job portals, freelancer.com. Next we see about Quikr.com. Quikr.com has recently gained its popularity in being one of the best job portals in India. It has 20 plus categories of jobs. It has both full-time and part-time opportunities for the job seekers who want their job in full-time and part-time basis to apply Quikr.com. Next we see about intgovernmentjobs.in. The government job positions are there as their career goal who fit to apply this intgovernmentjobs.in websites. It provides lot of government applications, government jobs directly to receive your mail or message. Any alert tips you want to enter your mobile number or mail to direct receive any government jobs in the field of railway, bank exam or otherwise UBS central government, both state government jobs here to receive directly your mail. Next we see about Indeed jobs. It is the most popular of the job sites. It has 1,000 jobs from the company career pages. Just type in a job title and location, upload your resume and register for single click apply. It is one of the single click apply basis. Easy to apply. Just enter your job location and job title. You can upload your resume. You can receive any vacancies of there based off your keywords. Easy to find. Get email alerts and when new job appears that match your saved job searches. You upload your resume to find match your keywords. Any job vacancies is there. You receive direct email alerts. Indeedjobs.com. Next we see about Career Builders. Career Builders, one of the resume keywords match job websites. Career Builder can match jobs to your resume keywords. The Hire Insider tool also gives a detailed report of how you compete with other applicants. The site's career test can help assess your strategy. Career test is also there in the Career Builder websites. A heavy ads scheme is somewhat of a turn-off for this more traditional job board. Next we see about Tamil Nadu government private job portals. It's launched in before 2 weeks. The Tamil Nadu government is specially launched for private job seekers to launch separate website. The website name is tnprivatejobs.dn.gov.in. Highlighting who want to work in the private sector can register directly and get job opportunities as per their educational qualification and prior experience. The Tamil Nadu government private job portal is to provide job opportunities as per their job seekers educational qualification and prior experience. We can easily to apply these job portals. Next we see about some of the tutorials for job apply in online. First we see about how to apply for jobs in job portals. To apply for a job online and to complete online job applications, you will need internet access and email address to use for the job searching, and up-to-date resume, a cover letter for some jobs, your employment history and your availability to work if you are applying for a part-time job. Part of the job application process, you may need to take an online employment test and be prepared to provide employment references also. The update resume and cover letter and update use email address is for necessary for apply for the online job portals. Next we see about tutorial for online job applying portals. Next we train about how to apply online job in online websites. I pointed out some of the websites, how to apply, how to search our jobs, for job titles, for their qualification, for our resume keywords, for how to search our job in online job portals. Next we see about some websites for tutorial. Please visit that. In this tutorial we see about how to enter our resume in online job portals. I enter indeed.com in the search box. Press enter. This is official website of indeed.co.in. So just enter job title. I enter accountant job. So lot of list is there. List box open. Accountant select. Place name Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Just click find jobs. So the result is 19 jobs is there. 19 jobs are there in the accountant job vacancies at Madurai place. So lot of vacancy. I is mentioned that junior accountant female only. For assistant accountant, but just you want to apply, just click that apply now to upload your resume for this particular job only, or otherwise you post resume in the indeedjob.com website. Just click post your resume. The lot of job vacancies are related your resume keywords, experience, your job availability place is there. Just enter email ID, password, new account creation. For create new account, sign in, create account. So post, easy to post your resume. Same also. For example, next we see about monsterjob.com. monster.com. I just enter monster.com. It's automatically changed into monsterindia.com. So in this website, job affected by COVID-19 is mentioned. So work from home, we select work from home jobs in Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Pune. Lot of options are there. For some otherwise we post your resume. Just upload, you click upload your resume. Otherwise create login page for job seeker login. So employer or poster your resume, poster that job recruitment click to employer login. So login. So employer login. We easy to find our jobs. Same category for to enter job category, location, experience. So just click to search. Lot of job vacancies are available. So employer's choice. So upload our resume. Lot of work from home jobs, recent jobs. So lot of job vacancies are there. Otherwise we select job title, experience, salary package. So lot of filter options are easy to apply our online job portals. So in this website easy to upload our job by company, function, industry, location. So lot of filter options are there for apply our job vacancies. So next we see about Tamil Nadu government private job vacancies. So tnprivatejobs.tn.gov.in, Tamil Nadu government private job official website. So it's same also employer login, candidate login. We post our resume, just candidate login, post easy to apply, post our resume. Same also job title, I enter accountant. Next click salaries, salary list 10,000 to 15,000, job location and not mentioned. So easy to apply. Lot of vacancies are there, lot of jobs available. So I want to filter Chennai or Coimbatore. Select apply filters. So specify only the Chennai or Coimbatore job vacancies. For example, accountant job. So I select accountant, search. So easy to apply our resume in the online job portals. So just we enter our resume in the official website of the online job portals and correct enter our email. We receive job vacancies email alerts, or otherwise we enter our mobile number. Easy to get any message from the job recruitment company. I hope it's easy to you understand how to apply online job portals in our resume and how to receive message from the particular online recruitment companies. It's throughout the online systematic. So we enter correct up-to-date resume with our correct current used email address. Thank you viewers. Thank you so much for your listening. Thank you.